Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jessie and the Bayou on this new Magnum 1. As I was saying in my other video, Magnum 1 has been reinvented. A lot of upgrades. A whole lot more stable. Runs a lot smoother. Went to the IRF 520 FETs. Jessie wanted this one set up a little bit differently than the last video. Start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Half watt. Roll it all the way up. Right about 5 watts. 100-watt slug, average power. Low. So float between 14 and 16 bird. He wanted about 15 birds, so there you go. Peak power. Low. About 45 peak. Alright, Jessie, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.